Hi friends, how are you today? Welcome to my channel, Jofiel Beauty Angels. Alright, now in today's video we're going to talk about my few favorite nail paints. These are picks that we could wear all around the year basically. Alright, so let's get started without wasting any time further. Alright, now our first nail paint for today would be this gorgeous pink color from Color Bahama. Shade is called 138 Bestie. Alright, all the details will be there in the description box for you to have a look at. Alright, now this is one of the gorgeous pink colors that I have. Just look at it. Alright, now here too. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Right? The beautiful pink shine from within. I love it. Okay, now pink is one of our most favorite girly colors. We all love to wear pink. Alright, you can never go wrong with pink, and pink is something that we all need. This is my best. One coat and a little more and you're sorted. Great color, great quality. I love Color Bahama. I have so many Color Bahama nail paints. Alright, probably will get a chance to show you in my future videos. So do try this. It's a great pick. Next one would be this from Lakme Color Crush collection. Right? It's a lovely blue color. Like nowadays we have so many blues, but some of the blues are so dark that you can't even make out that they are actually blue. This one is really bright, lovely. It has a beautiful sky color tinge to it, but it's very bright. It's like a happy color, a little pop, you know. It's like you're going out with friends, or you're going out to have some fun, or some day outing or whatever. Okay, now this one we would need around 2 coats and you would be good to go. Nice, 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 beautiful, beautiful, pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, the next one is this orange baby. It's from Faces Splash. It's called Rustini 60. I love this, really love it. Okay, just have a look, just have a look, just have a look, man, gorgeous. Okay, now trust me, I've just applied 1 coat. That's it, 1 coat, 1 coat, and you are so sorted. Faces, I love beautiful colors, and especially from the Splash collection. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, this orange is a color of brightness, happiness, beauty. Look at me, I'm pretty, I'm beautiful, I'm wearing my orange nail paint, and it instantly brightens up your fingers, hands, your mood. So I love wearing orange. I feel like all pepped up and cheered up when I'm wearing orange. So definitely try this. It's a beautiful, beautiful orange color out of all the oranges that I have. Yeah. Next one. Okay, now this is from Miss Claire. Okay, it's a purple color with some shine in it. Okay, there is no name for this particular one. Okay, but below it's written 14, and on the back side it's written 48, I guess. 1 stroke nail polish, 48. Okay, this one's for 85 rupees. Alright, now let's have a look at it here. Okay, now this one is like super royal, sophisticated, sexy, if I may say so. I really, really love it. Okay, and do you see that shine? Do you see that shine from within that's coming? Yeah, it's like that silvery undertone with like a beautiful shine all over. And imagine this all over your hands and how lovely it's going to look. Like, I am in love with it. I'm really, really in love with it. So you can try this. Now our next pick is this exotic one from Faces Splash collection again. It's called Bahama Breeze 58. Let's have a look at it. Ooh la la. Just see. Okay, breezy, breezy, breezy. Okay, now this has a very nice and beautiful green tinge to it actually, but on screen you cannot make out, you know. But in real, you know, if you are wearing this, it's a little thin formula, so you need at least 2 to 3 coats to get this finish. But I love it, simply love it. Like, I'm going to call this exotic. It's very different from all the shades that we get, you know, usually. Nice. We cannot end the collection without a beautiful red. Now this one is from Color Show Big Apple Reds, our 2 shade. It's a lovely red. Okay, it's like very strong red, a very deep red, a very dark red, a very loud red, but I really love this. You can give it a try. It's one of the beautiful shades that Maybelline has, you know, lovely shades. I love Maybelline for the nail paints they make, and I love Maybelline overall. Now this, it's showing me I am for rupees 155. Okay, so do give this a try, and I hope you enjoyed. Okay, now these are my baby angels. Say hello to them. I love angels. Yeah. Okay, so okay, let me keep it here. Okay, so now if you like my video, hit on the like button right now, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos for you, and we can have loads of fun and we can have a good time together. Lots of love. Bye. See you soon.